$1,000 worth of my best-selling AI prompts for businesses, only $99. Now, I am deleting this video very soon. So if you're here, awesome. You may have even seen something similar to this. This is one of the prompts you get. So it's very meta. You get prompts, 25 of my prompts. Okay, these are my best-selling prompts. I've sold to 600 people, thousands of prompts because each of them get multiple ones each. You may even have one or more of your own. But there's going to be all of these 25. So like Arlan's membership landing page. So if you have a membership on school or elsewhere and you want to have a sales page for it or anything almost, I mean, it really doesn't matter. So this is like $47 on its own. It's part of this bundle. Okay. So you get the actual prompt, the actual words that you'll copy, and then you'll paste them in, and it'll create this landing page on these different platforms. So things like Lovable or Replit, which they're all freemium models. So if you want to do one or two of these for free, if you want to pay more, you can have a month-long access to it for like 20 bucks. But you would get all of these. A lot of them are in Chat GPT, which you can do for free. Like most of them are Chat GPT. There are a lot of thumbnails you can make for your YouTube videos. Like this one, it wouldn't be this size. It would be like long ways. But if you wanted to see how do I make the exploding thumbnail that I'm using, right? I show you exactly how to make your face on there. There are other ones like make a lead magnet that gets downloads. So those lead magnets are things that when you give them away for free, they bring people in to your email list. And then you can respond to people and reach out to people, nurture them. It's what it's called an email nurture sequence. And then that is where you get to know people, they get to know you, and you can make offers over time. And that's where most of the wealthiest people I know who are like in the education space, business coaching, that's where they make their money is in the emails. So this one prompt of 25 helps you make lead magnets, like unlimited number of lead magnets that get downloads. So it's been trained, and I've tested it over and over again. This one is big, okay? Write YouTube scripts that convert. This one is powerful. $97, normally $300. It's included in this pack for $99 total. So this will help you write unlimited YouTube scripts that get seen, that get people to stay and retain. Now, I have gained 170,000 or so YouTube subscribers in the past 15 months. And it's because of how I speak, how I talk to the audience. People stay and watch hours and hours of my videos. So this one alone is worth the price. Then there's more. Build a recession-proof side hustle. And even though it costs $5, it's worth way, way, way more than that because I just make it accessible. Podcast interview question set. Like every time you do a podcast interview, you'll never have to worry about what to ask from now on. And it goes on and on and on. Automate your DMs to make sales while you sleep. So this EM sequence. Build a $100,000 membership architect. Custom GPT. So this one's normally 97, worth way more than that. On sale for 10, but included in this bundle. So cool. So cool. We have a lot of that. Build a high ticket offer assistant, which is another custom GPT. Do you hear what I'm saying? Like these are huge, huge, huge prompts. Now, there's on and on and on. I'm not going to show you all of them, but you go in, there's a link in the description below. It tells you exactly where to go. Just click on it. You can get your 99. We're deleting this offer soon, so jump on it. But look at the bonus that you get. When you go to that page, read the bonus at the bottom. Read the bonus. It won't be this price forever. It'll be very, very short period of time that it's just this price. Read the bonus. You're gonna love it. It's more than you've ever thought this could be. If you're already convinced, you're like, oh my God, 25 of these prompts and they're all banger, 99 bucks, let me do it. If you're convinced already, it's gonna blow your mind when you see the bonus. Check it out.